Have you ever worked with a swimmer that doesn't want you physically prompting them or moving them to help them achieve their swim goals?
I'll show you 3 tips on how to work with that. First, ask your swimmer to take your hands instead of you imposing yourself on the swimmer. Awesome. Knees to chest, feet to floor. I'm fine, that's great. Second, think about a sensory warm-up, something that you could do to make them feel more grounded in their body. That washes away that uncomfortable feeling. A sensory warm-up, if you hold on, might look something like this. You're just going to push that towards the wall and back. Push it towards the wall and back. Let me show you how you might do this with a smaller child. And it gets your swimmer so much more comfortable to being physically maneuvered after you give them a little bit of that sensory movement. So the next tip is using a social story where you explain the expectations. You can do this with a series of pictures, and you just tell your swimmer, hey, we went in on the stairs. Now we're gonna play with our friends. Then we're gonna use dumbbell, do kicking, do swimming, and when it's all done, we climb out and get mommy. This helps them understand the expectation. If these tips were helpful, dive into our full multi-level online certification program where you can learn about how to assess and identify your swimmers for their obstacles and overcome them with great movement strategies.